Hello my awesome followers, how are you all? I'm back again with this awesome yellow cut crease look. Before we get started, people who are new, please subscribe to my channel and can you see that bell icon? Oh yes, the bell icon. Press that bell to receive a notification for whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so now let's move straight to my tutorial. So starting with my brows. Though my brows are thick enough but has lots of gaps, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Focus and Fix medium dark shade, and these are the 3 brown shades and 1 fixing gel that has to be applied after fixing your brows. So I'm taking these 3 shades in an angular brush and I'm dusting off the extra. I'm using a very light strokes to fill the gaps. In the front part of my brows, I'll be using light brown and fill in the gaps. Always use a light brown shade in the front part of your brows, otherwise it will look very unnatural. With the help of spoolie, I'm blending all that shade so that it looks very natural. Now I'll be using Maybelline concealer in a light shade and will clean under and above my brows. This will make your brows look perfect. Same concealer I'll be using on my eyelids to set the eyes. I have primed my eyes, now it's time to apply concealer. I'm using the same concealer on my eyelids. To set my concealer, I'm using Absolute NEWYORK HD Flawless Pressed Finishing Powder in the shade Brightening Banana. This is a very nice and one of my favorite as it is super lightweight invisible finishing powder. It covers all the pigmentation from skin and thus brightens the skin and sets the skin without caking it. To get a perfect wing shape, I am using a tape. Place the tape from the end of your eyelids till the end of the brows. Make sure you don't place your tape on your lip lash. To create a cut crease, I'm using this Morphe 35C palette and I'm using a dark chocolate brown shade. To make my eyes look bigger, this is the place where I'm going to place the brown shade, just above the socket line. I'm using this dark chocolate brown shade. I'm just drawing a D shape from where the eyelash starts till the end point. I'm using a very pointed brush. Now using a clean brush, I'm just blending all that harsh lines. Now I'm using this pinkish brown shade as my transition and blending it on my crease area. I'm using the same concealer to cut my crease. To cut the crease, just start from your eyelash area, leaving tear duct, and the trick to cut your crease is just apply concealer on your eyelids and look up, and your concealer will be transferred on the areas where exactly you need to cut the crease. If you are a beginner, then this is the easiest trick for doing any type of cut crease. Even professionals use this trick, and it's super easy and super precise method. Cut crease makes your eyes look bigger, so people who have smaller eyes like me, with this look your eyes will look bigger. Now from the same palette, I'm applying yellow shade on my crease with the help of a flat brush. To create a wing shape liner, I'm using Nykaa Glamoureyes liquid eyeliner in the shade 01 Stormy Sky. To create a wing liner, apply from the lid of your eyelids and extend it towards your crease line. From the end of your eyelid, draw another line and join it till your crease. Fill the rest of the gap. have cleaned all my fallouts with a wet tissue, and now I'm applying a sunscreen. I'm using Lotus Herbals SPF 50 on my face. I'm going to pair this moisturizer with a Glamoureyes 24 karat gold serum. This is a wonderful moisturizer and also works as a primer. This serum promotes skin elasticity, lightens skin, repairs scars and calms skin, and also protects against sun damage. Now I'm using a black Kajal on my waterline. Now comes my favorite part. I love this mascara. I'm using Tart 4-in-1 mascara. It works so well on your lashes. It actually lengthens your lashes, it curls your lashes, and it also adds volume to your lashes. It's such a lovely mascara. After applying mascara, I'm also going to apply a false lashes. For the product description, please check the description box below. To prime my face, I'm using L'Oreal Paris Face Magic Primer. I'll be mixing two foundations to get the exact color of my skin. So I am mixing Lakme Absolute Illuminating Foundation and NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. To make my face look flawless, I'm going to use a wet beauty blender and blend all those harsh lines on my face. For highlighting, I'm using same Maybelline concealer under my eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid area and chin. And I'm going to blend this with a beauty blender. I have used a Kryolan concealer to contour my cheekbones and also to hide all my double chin. To set my contour, I'm using the Sivanna colors. I'm going to use this bronzer powder, and with the help of BH Cosmetics contour brush, I am just setting my contour. Contouring my nose with the same contour palette. Coming back to eyes, I'm using this same brown shade using an angular brush, and I'm applying it under my waterline. Now using the same palette, I'm using this black eyeshadow and applying it on my outer side of my eyes, and I'm connecting it to my wing eyeliner. Now I'm using Sivanna colors ultra palette, and I'm mixing these 3 pink shades, and I'm going to apply it on my temples of my cheeks. So now I'm using Makeup Revolution London Sugar and Spice Ultra Palette, and I'll be using this dark pink highlighter and applying it on my high point areas of my face. Finishing this look with this lovely shade from Colorbar, shade 106 Naughty Girl, and I'm going to apply it on my lips. I'm also adding this liquid baby pink lip gloss on my lips. This will minimize the color of that pink shade that I've applied earlier, as my eyes are already so bold, so I wanted to minimize the. Now finishing this look with this white highlighter under my brow bone area. So this is the complete look. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then please press that thumb button and keep sharing and keep subscribing to my channel. Love you all. Bye bye.